Are you curious about how the roof rejuvenation process works? Let me take you through it step by step. First, we do a thorough inspection of your roof to identify any repairs that may be needed. Next, we will remove any debris off of your roof and begin the tune-up process, making sure we seal any nail pops, tighten up any loose flashing, replace any rain collars on your pipe vents, seal up any areas for potential leaks, and complete any of the repairs on the work order. This is crucial for ensuring that the roof rejuvenation oil penetrates deep and effectively. Once the roof is cleaned off and tuned up, we then apply the roof rejuvenation oil. The oil penetrates the shingle to give it its flexibility and waterproofing back to that of a new shingle. After the rejuvenation process, we do a final inspection to ensure all the work was done properly. Then we issue the 5-year warranty so that you can have peace of mind knowing that your roof will perform for years to come. Experience the guaranteed roof rejuvenation process. Contact us today to schedule your free roof inspection and take the first step toward a longer lasting roof. Visit guaranteedroof.com and remember, don't replace it, save it.